The Servo Motor Sizing Calculator. Torque and speed determines the required torque and recommended motor size for your servo application. Let's walk through the 5 input fields. First, load inertia in kilogram meters squared represents the rotational mass of your system. Next, speed in RPM is your desired rotational velocity. Then, acceleration in radians per second squared defines how quickly you need to reach that speed. The duty cycle percentage indicates how long the motor operates versus rest time, ranging from 1 to 100%. Finally, load torque in Newton meters is the constant torque your application requires. For this example, I'll enter 0.05 for load inertia, 1800 for speed, 10 for acceleration, 75 for duty cycle, and 2.5 for load torque. After clicking Calculate Servo Motor Requirements, the calculator shows required torque equals 4.33 Newton meters. This accounts for both acceleration and load torque demands. The recommended motor size is NEMA 34 large with 10 Newton meters capacity, providing sufficient headroom for reliable operation. This ensures proper motor selection for your specific application requirements. Find the link in the description below.